All right, here we go. The boat ramp's right down there, but I actually wanted to get this on a handheld deal so I could film this a little better. This is Shallow Lake Primitive Campground, or primitive camping. It's right beside Shallow Lake Access. Basically, you got one little strip of road through here, and you can put up, there's spots you can back in, like right there, or you can just pop a tent up, park your car, whatever. There's a few spots you can tell people park campers regularly. But as far as I know, nobody's really been hassled about bringing a camper down here. This spot right there that has some firewood stacked up. There's another spot you can back a camper in. And this is Shallow Lake Access. I should have probably drove through the other way for a better view for you guys, but it's kind of one way, so I'm kind of limited to what I can do. I will kind of make a circle right here on the boat ramp. And there's your access channel out. There's your information. If you want to pause the video, you can. Read on where you're at. It gives you longitude and latitude coordinates. Alright, so as you can see, this is opening morning of duck season, and there's only like 5 vehicles here. Most of them look like small boats, maybe flat bottom. which is what most duck hunters use. So, I mean, if you were to come down here, you pretty much have this place to yourself, aside from opening morning of duck season and probably opening morning of deer season. And there's your mileage right there, 3.7 miles to here. So, guys, have a nice day and be safe.